Hi friends, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to add a librarian to the Blackboard shell for your class. You'll start by clicking on the class that you want to add a librarian to. From here, you'll click on Control Panel if it's not already expanded. Then click on Users and Groups. Click on Users. You'll select Find Users to Enroll. And then click Browse. And from here, you can search by username, first name, last name, or email, or you can just type in the name of the person you are looking for. Click Go. Once you find the person you want to add, you'll click the box in front of their name and click Submit. When you're back on this screen, you'll select Teaching Assistant from the drop-down menu and click Submit. And you are all set with a librarian in your class ready to help your students. Thank you.